Happy fall break, everyone. I am making this recording during fall break so that if any of you want to get a jump on it, you can have that opportunity, and so that it's all ready to go when we get back to school next week. Okay, hopefully everybody had a fun experience starting out with Digital Doodle and learned some things about how to build an app and how to manipulate that app. You can take a picture with it, draw a little bit on it, and shake it, and then clear it. So we learned some really good essential things. Now we're going to go on with a new app and learn a few more new things. So we start out here at the introduction. We're going to learn about algorithms. That's the step-by-step process we go through to code. We're going to have some text-based variables that we're going to put together, and that's called concatenation. And we're going to use some simple math equations to get it to do some really cool results. So here's our app definition. In this activity, you're going to use the accelerometer in your device, and you're going to tip your phone back and forth, either up and down this way or left and right this way, to get a smiley face to move across the screen. So please watch this video. I'm not going to take the time to do it, but you watch the video and you see what your app will do. So let's talk about the design part. It's going to have the ability to have the device see the result of the motion. So you're going to see the happy face float back and forth around the screen. You're also going to be able to see values of where that smiley face is at on the screen, or we call that the canvas. So the first thing we're going to do is create the UI, user interface. We're going to go to MIT App Inventor and we're going to log in and we're going to create a new project. So we'll just go right here to MIT App Inventor, and I have it right here on my fast, the ones I use the most, my fast apps. Okay, and we're going to click on here, start new project, because that's what we're going to do. And we're going to call it Hershey Happy Accelerometer. ACCL is good enough. Okay, I got a new screen and I'm ready to go. So you'll see it says, here's where we get started. In the All Components panel, select Screen 1. Select a background color for your choice. Change screen orientation to portrait to stop the screen from rotating and changing orientations. Screen 1, make a pretty background color and use change screen orientation to portrait. Happy accelerometer. Okay. Want to make sure I'm on screen 1, and I am. And I'm on screen 1 here. Background color. Well, it's white by default. Let's make it this pretty blue color. There we go. Okay, since I made the title Happy Accelerometer, it at least changed it up here. I don't know why I'm not getting a background color changed. Screen orientation to portrait. There we go. I suppose it's not changing because I don't have like a canvas on here for the background color. So I'm just going to leave it alone. I don't care. With your screen set, it is time to add the other components. Select the drawing and animation drawer and drag a canvas to the app screen. Now we're actually going to drag some stuff on it. There's canvas. If I could look at them at the same time, I could find it, but I am not. Change canvas 1 properties. Height 80, width fill parent. There we go. Select the drawing and animation drawer again and drag an image sprite component directly on top of the canvas. You have a sprite component that can now show an image, but it needs an actual image like this happy face. Place your mouse over the happy PNG image above and then right click it, save image as. PNG's fine. Happy PNG. In the media panel below the All Components panel, select Upload File. The media panel below the All Components panel. Right here. And I'm going to go choose it. See if I saved it and called it Happy. There it is. And now select Image Sprite 1 and set its properties to the Happy Face PNG. Image Sprite 1. There we go. There we go. Now it appears on top of the canvas. Okay. Set the width to 50 and height to 50. Okay, that all looks good. Select the user interface drawer and drag 2 labels to the screen. User interface drawer. Labels let you share info with your user as you add components to your app. Select label 1 and call it, change the name to location label. Label 2 to accelerometer label. Select image 1 and change the name to happy. Okay. Select the sensors drawer and add a non-visible accelerometer sensor. And there it is right there. Take care assigning names to components. Any errors in the designer will show up in the blocks view. Your app and designer should now look similar to this image with a smiley face in the upper left corner. And you see the 2 labels and a sensor. So ours looks sensor, 2 labels. Yeah, looks about the same. Oh, sorry. We go on to section 3. I'm going to stop this video and start a new one.